So friends, one more topic is cylindrical coordinates. In this we take r, theta and z. R is radial direction, theta is angular direction and z is this direction. For example, this is a cylindrical marker. So in cross sectional view r and theta we can realize, and this one is the z direction. So r is radial direction, theta direction is called azimuthal direction. So we know that acceleration is dv by dt, it is a vector, and velocity is nothing but r dot ir cap, it means velocity along radial direction. R omega, theta dot is nothing but omega, omega is due to angular velocity. I theta cap in azimuthal direction. So velocity vector in cylindrical coordinate will be specified by azimuthal unit vector and r omega velocity plus radial unit vector and velocity along the radius, which is r dot. R is distance or radial direction distance, so r dot is velocity along the radius. So acceleration is dv by dt. We differentiate these terms. After differentiating we will get like this, we have to solve it. We will get r double dot minus omega square r or theta dot square r ir cap plus theta double dot or double derivative of angular displacement, it is called angular acceleration alpha, and plus 2 r dot theta dot. R dot is radial velocity, theta dot is angular velocity again, so it is I theta cap. So this component is coming along azimuthal direction and it is coming along radial direction, and we know that omega square r minus omega square r is centripetal component. R double dot is nothing but double derivative of radial distance, it is acceleration along the radial direction. Now realization of this thing is here. Consider a body and a point A on the body. Body is rotating counterclockwise with omega. So minus omega square is centripetal component. R double dot is the radial acceleration of point A. In radial direction acceleration is this. So IR cap is coming as the unit vector. Tangential acceleration. For example, suppose this body was rotating with omega. So R alpha will come. Alpha is angular acceleration, so tangential acceleration will be r alpha plus 2v omega. This is called Coriolis component of acceleration. It comes when the radial velocity direction changes due to rotation, means there is one slotted body and it is rotating, so any point that is moving on slotted body, its radial velocity will change in direction due to rotating body. Suppose this point A was in the rotating body and radial velocity was like this. After rotation, radial velocity will be like this, which I have shown here. So due to change in direction of velocity, acceleration is in this direction. You can see final velocity minus initial velocity equal to acceleration vector. This is the vector form. So it is called Coriolis acceleration, change in direction of radial velocity of a point due to rotation of slot in which point lies. So this topic was of cylindrical coordinate. The most important thing is to remember this formula, that for calculation of acceleration, this is the extreme case it can give, where all four terms will be there, that is r double dot, omega square r alpha and 2v omega. 2v omega is nothing but theta dot, r dot is radial velocity and r double dot is acceleration in radial direction, that is because of velocity changing in radial direction, and omega square r minus omega square r is the centripetal component, it is due to change in direction of radial velocity. So this topic is over. Very important topic is it is. You just remember this formula and I will take one question which will make it clear completely. Look at this. Very important topic. Again I will say it is very important. This Coriolis acceleration we will study deeply in the subject theory of machines for mechanical engineering. So you can note it. In this figure I have cleared something which is, suppose IR cap was the radial vector. After rotation it shifted to this direction, so DIR cap is in azimuthal direction, and similarly I theta was initial vector. After rotation it came here, so di theta is in minus radial direction. This is di theta cap vector. This is that vector, it is in minus radial direction, so it is very important. Thank you friends.